Hello everybody, I want to show you for this video a quick speed test between the Huawei P10 and the Huawei P Smart. So both phones have an octa-core CPU, as you can see below. And but the stronger phone normally is the P10, but the more new phone is the Huawei P Smart. So let's start with the first test on the phones. So the vibration is always coming a bit late at the P10. But it's normal for that phone. We will see which one is faster. It should be the P10. Oh, we have a big surprise with the P Smart, so let us see. The P10 with a little gap. Okay, let's continue with the camera. Point for the P10. Okay, let's go next to an important point to have music. Shazam. Point for the P10. Okay, let's continue with Google Translate. P10 as well. Oh wow, the P Smart have to make a point. Okay, let's go now to SimCity. Maybe the P Smart can. Hi. But it's a big game. You can create your own city, even be a major in it. So the game is very nice. But let's see now. Ooh! Point for the P Smart. So is the P Smart win that competition? I didn't expect that. Okay. Let's go now to Google Earth. Point for the P10. What say Clash of Clans? And the P10 win this competition as well. Okay, let's go now to Candy Crush maybe. Loading, and the P10 wins. Okay, let's have a look at Better Bridge. Point for the P10 as well. Ay. Okay, Real Racer. Okay, Real Racer, we will see which one is the Real Racer. A nice racing game from Electronic Arts. Oh, I'm sorry, P Smart. It's not your day. But the P10 is a very strong phone. And the winner is the P10. Okay, maybe snapshot next. Point for the P10. We expect that. Okay, what's next? I guess the final one is Subway Surfer. The winner is the P10 in this category as well. So the winner at all is the P10 at this quick speed test. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it, and if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or leave me a thumbs up. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much and maybe until next time. Ciao!